Hey guys, this is Anthony Romell, and in this video we're going to talk about forking a repository. I can't fork a repository, at least this one, but this is the one you're going to fork, so the URL you should have in class, but if you need it, it's github.com/myname/AnthonyRomell/scripting-for-games. So an easy way to get here is just to type in github.com/AnthonyRomell, and you'll see it in my repository list. So what you're going to do is basically this. You're going to click on this fork button, and it's going to ask you to create a new fork, and it's going to give you your owner name. So for example, I could fork this to another username that I have, such as this, and then I'm just going to keep the name the same, scripting for games, because I think it's going to be easier for you. And then I'm not going to complete this, but you will click create fork, and what that's going to do is it's going to create a new repository for you. Once that's done, you should be able to go over to GitKraken, the software you've downloaded to use in the class. And you should be able to click on this once this is installed and you have everything configured. Hopefully you have your integrations and SSH all worked out. But what you're going to do is click on this folder here, and you're going to click on this clone button, and you're going to make sure that you go to github.com, and you should have a location to clone it to. It's recommended that you don't put it in Box, OneDrive, or Dropbox. Try to put it outside of that, but still somewhere on your drive. So, and it says, what repository do we want to clone? I'll just sort of type in, it should be scripting for animation games. And then you'll hit the clone repo button. Now, I've already done that, so I'm all set up. Once you've done that, you're going to see your repository is going to open up, and you're going to see a number of commits that I made to help prep you for the class that should give you some things, and that is you should be able to have access to Pixel Adventure 1, Pixel Adventure 2. So from there, you'll be able to open your Unity project and then later license your Pixel Adventure assets. Those are free. That said, though, you still need to license them, and that'll be in the next video.